is the same track where I used to fly my drone a few months ago. That drone don't use to land at the specified place. That's why I had sold it. I haven't ridden towards this cafe even for once. That's why I'm trying to find out the authenticity of the wave sounds, whether there is a real cafe existing or it is a place where construction is going on. But the track seems to be very habitable, and there are a lot of tire marks. Peacock is sighted there. It should slow down so that clear video can be recorded. That peacock is climbing uphill, sensing the bicycle. The river is very dirty. Now I will take the same route. During rainy seasons, more peacocks can be sighted. The path is very isolated. There is another peacock and a bird. It is a good picnic spot, but I don't have much friends in this city and don't like to visit any tourist spot alone, especially for snacks and lunch or dinner party. Some villagers were saying that the program was being planned today itself. Where all the village heads and members were invited, but it has been cancelled. The scenario is also like that from several years, but when I expose my personal life, then only it is possible that animals will retract back. That is a well-known conspiracy. No one is here. Even the main gate is shut down. I don't think there is any cafe. Either it has been closed or due to lack of business during coronavirus shutdown, they failed to prosper. It might be any trespassed forest area. Even the main pillars have been thrown away, either by the villagers or strong wind. It might have blown over the banners and the support. But there doesn't seem to be any person. But this track is very beautiful and bicycling seems to be very fun. There are a lot of peacocks on the way. The presence of wild animals also can't be ruled out. But since there are a lot of pebbles, I'm feeling safe. At least I can carry them in a tank. What's carnivorous animals? But these peacocks are very shy and used to sense bicycle voice from a distance. And there are a herd of peacocks. We can record 3 of them. From here I will travel back towards the Nadas Morley Hill Road. At 6 p.m. I am recording at 4K 30 fps. If there is a way towards the main road from here, there seems to be an cremation ground. The dog is barking. I have to run away. At what speed the dog can chase me? But if they can start messaging, then the possibility of danger is always there. And these shelters are very protective and helpful. But it seems that the main gate has been shut down. We can't defend these kind of construction under the circumstances that they will protect us from wild animals. Ultimately, we have to cross the river by ourselves. Birds are chirping. There are pigeons and ducks also. But it requires specific wildlife photography cameras so that I can zoom on that. The 4K cameras are meant for action photography. Let's take the outside route and avoid that dirty drain. Ultimately, we have to jump across these drains. Can you assume that the cafe has been shut down even then the drains are so dirty? What would have been the condition of small streams like these were allowed to flourish? But on the other hand, these small resort owners can't cope with the expensive bribe to forest department. On the other hand, rich and powerful franchisee hotel owners manage to gain more and more land, and their failure is another opportunity for those companies to expand the business in protected and preserved areas also. I can't ride with such high street. Not just because of health, but there are a lot of pebbles. So let's pause this video for the time being. I will consume liquid protein which I have brought along with me. With 8,084 new coronavirus infections being reported in a day, India's tally of COVID-19 rose to 4,32,30,101, and the daily positivity rate was over 3.12% after nearly 4 months. National recovery rate is 98.68%. But patients are showing mild symptoms and fatality is low in the present mild wave. In Maharashtra, 9,354 COVID-19 cases were reported, of which 5,980 are reported from Mumbai only. But the fatalities are only 17 during last month. Even a small state like Mizoram is showing COVID-19 cases. But the active cases in Mizoram is also 168. And 50,000 cases in a week were reported from the country. Biggest rise since January. The week ending this Sunday saw the biggest surge in India's COVID-19 numbers since the third wave of the pandemic in January, with fresh cases rising in more than 23,000 to nearly twice the previous week's tally. And all of these women used to arrange get-together parties and resort bookings. According to these days, even today, the phone has been switched off from early morning, and at 6:24 p.m. even now the phone is switched off. And to enchant or applaud these kind of pandemic, and whether they want to say that they are already aware and that's why they are enjoying the life at the bank, or they want to warn others that we are the ones who are enjoying the life, and even during extinction we don't care. The highest weekly tally of new cases since February 21 to February 27 has crossed 86,000 infections. The increase of 23,000 from the preceding week is the highest since January 17. Maharashtra led the count, recording 17,380 fresh COVID-19 cases, up to 140% increase. And Mumbai alone sees 1,000% rise in daily COVID cases since May 17. Fourth wave has gripped the country so tightly that they will not able to rescue themselves so easily as they managed to did in the past, because of the overconfidence and arrogant nature of these Indians who have stopped using all precautionary measures. But even now I am carrying sanitizer with me. I have enough sanitizer for next 4 days, because I rarely used to come out and I don't have any social interactions also. On Sunday, June 12th, 2022, the 8,000 mark for the second consecutive day has been crossed, with 8,582 new coronavirus infections between Saturday and Sunday. An increase of 4,000 cases in the span of 24 hours is very significant and very dangerous. In about 2 days it will definitely increase to 15,000, and because they are trying to hide the real figures also, because right now no one is aware, no one is doing anything. That's why they want to hide the real figures. And all these flesh Indians belonging to Moscow Demolition Group have come out of the small holes where they used to reside, in the form of cockroaches, insects and other small tiny living organisms. They think that variant of concerns will be easily detected by these Indians. That's why they will the first one in the whole world to detect the variant of concerns. In fact, the RT-PCR is also not genuine in India, because the rapid PCR test for SARS-CoV-2 is not the gold line, and they have developed a fully automated RT-PCR with a capacity of lakhs and millions through imported Chinese materials which are not even approved by FDA. Earlier real-time RT-PCR was thought to be most accurate laboratory methods for detecting and tracking coronavirus, including many pathogens. And fluorescent dyes are not available in India. That's why they can't be treated as real. You can see the amount of tree being cut down here through bribing forest department and Moscow demolition group. I have to slow down because there are a lot of monkeys looking towards the road and passerby in temptation of bananas or other chips which are thrown away by tourists. Most of the time they are sitting at the steep stretch of land. Before ending this video, after reaching that junction.